Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can get a dash camera for your car absolutely free. Yes, it will be free. You heard it right. So, dash cameras are very important these days. Every third car now has a dash camera, so which is a good evidence in case of any accident for insurance company or for any court of law. So it is very helpful. So people are spending somewhere between $50 to up to $900. So depending upon the quality and the brand, people are spending huge amount of money, but you don't need to spend that. So there are absolutely a different way you can get a dash camera. So I will show you how you can do that. See, this is the one. So everybody has a extra mobile phone in your home, as people always upgrade the phone, keep some phone as a backup phone. So people used to upgrade after every 6 months, 1 year or 2 years, because of the different features they love in a new phone. But still that phone is important, and you can use that phone as a dash camera, because you only need to use the camera and not other features which you are looking in your mobile phone. So you can use that phone. There is a app which is available on Android, Google Play or iPhone store, so you can download that app. So, and that can be helpful for a dash camera purpose. So I will show you how you can do that. What's the app? Please keep watching this video, and at the end, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So what you need to do is to go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store, and then go search for the dash camera app. So you will find quite a few dash camera apps. So the one I am talking about is a Autoboy dash cam black box, so which is quite a good dash cam, and it gives you nearly 90% of the feature. So you just have to install that. So now the app is installed, so just have to open it. So it will ask some basic permissions. So you go to settings and then allow permission. So then after that it asks you to allow the permission for take pictures or the videos. So allow it. And this is for the GPS, so that it can give the location of the all the videos. So allow all the time. Allow auto black box to access photo media files, so you can allow that also. Allow auto black box to record audio. So if you have to record audio, you can allow, otherwise you can disallow. So I allow it. So stop optimizing battery usage, so I allow that. So it's all done. So there are two themes, whichever way you want to see, so you can go with that. So let's say I am going with the start theme one, so I have to press start. So this is my dash camera, it's already done. So now you have to just click on this. So this is that. So this is the view of the dash camera. It depends upon which camera or which mobile phone you are using for this purpose. So if the mobile phone is good, the quality will also be good, as most of the dash cam has a mobile phone has a good camera quality, full HD, and even some of the mobile phone are 4K also. So that way you will get a good quality of video. So as you can see, there are a couple of features which you will love in this mobile. Like you can use as a selfie also, if you want to, like if you are doing Uber or anything, you can use that. So that way it can record the passenger also, so you will feel safe. So that's the feature. And again, you can stop or record the voice, and some of the brightness control and other features. So as you can see, I am using the app as my dash camera, and it's giving me all the details, like speed I am driving and the street where I'm driving, and all the other details, so which is available on the dash camera. So the video quality, the picture quality, as you can see, it's very good. I'm using Samsung Galaxy Note 9, so the picture quality is very good. You can read the rego number plates of the vehicles on the road. So in the settings, if you go to the settings, So there are a couple of things like you can use the full screen mode, power mode, show address, these kind of selection. Use GPS if you have to see the location. Also in the recording, you can select background recording storage, so you won't be out of storage because you can store in the external SD memory card or the internal mobile memory. So you can select the video timing, so like 5 minute, 10 minute, 20, 30, so these kind of thing. And maximum storage capacity. Audio recording, you can select record audio with the video recording, so you can select that way. Video quality, like you can select high, low quality, HD, 180p, 1080p, so those kind of thing you can select that. So photo resolution, so even the photo shot interval, like it keep on recording the photo, so you can take say if you don't need or anything, so you can select say after every 3 minutes or something like that. So set recording time after crash, so those kind of thing, so you can select that. So it will be like, for example, if I select 5 minutes, so after the crash, so for all the 5 minutes it will still keep on recording the things. So those kind of thing. If you want to stop recording on call, you can select that also. So advanced feature like detect car dock or GPS setting. So it has a pretty cool feature. I would say it's a 90% features are exactly same like the normal dash camera. The only thing you are missing is that it can't record simultaneously front and inside camera. I think sooner or later we also will have this kind of feature. But I'm very happy that way you can save the money. There is no point to spend like quite a few $100s on getting the dash camera. Thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.